friends! Today, I'm going to show you how to make this creepy monster. Imagine the infected sky, a terrifying creature born from a mutated airplane, merging organic and mechanical horror. Its body is a grotesque blend of twisted metal and pulsating flesh. The fuselage is warped, with parts of the airplane now fused with monstrous, tumor-like growths. Where the wings once were, there are jagged limbs, claw-like in appearance, capable of tearing through buildings. The cockpit has distorted into a twisted mask, resembling a face with lifeless, hollow eyes. The engines have become gaping maws, emitting thunderous, nightmarish roars as it flies, leaving devastation in its wake. The creature's origin stems from a mysterious virus or alien infection that took over airplanes, turning them into grotesque, sentient monsters. This virus, perhaps an experiment gone wrong or a cosmic event, transformed ordinary machines into these abominations, blending their cold machinery with the unpredictable chaos of organic mutation. This is the creepy and unusual monster I made, called the Infected Sky Plush. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video!